Hello and welcome to New Parenting Training. So Warmer Lab sent us this product for us to review. This is a portable milk warmer, and this is a gift set, by the way. So usually they sell this by itself, but this two package came as an entire gift set. So today I'm going to unbox it and then try to test it afterward and see how good it is. So according to their website, not only this is a portable, so it has a battery inside. Not only that, but it's extremely accurate in terms of the temperature the milk gonna come out. So that's something I wanna see for a milk warmer, how accurate the temperature is gonna be. So anyway, let's unbox the main part first. You will see an instruction, a USB-C cable, and here is the warmer itself. It looks quite nice. So they do have a cap. If you're not using it, you can just cover it. All right, what else is here? Oh, the adapters. So inside the box, there are 4 adapters. So this one is the baby product accessories. Let's see what's inside here. A pouch. So when you are traveling with this, you can put everything inside here. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty neat. I like it. Okay, the second bag. Let's see what is in here. Oh, another charging cable and a charger. So here are all the stuff that came in the gift set. And let me go wash this up and then read up the instruction to see how to use this. All right, so the warmer now it has been charged. And let me talk about the function really quick. The charging port is on the back. Even though it's using USB-C cable to charge this machine, you cannot just use any charger to charge it though. So I have tried to use a fast charger. It didn't work on it. So the charger that works is the one that came with the machine. There's no button on the surface itself. There's an on-off button on the bottom. So if you press one time, you will see the battery level. Right now it's at 100%. It has an 8800 milliamp battery inside here. According to the company, it gives you at least 8 to 10 usage out of it before you have to recharge the machine itself. So here I have 4 different bottles. So 3 different adapters here. I have bottles 4. The last one is good for Nuke bottle. I don't have that, so I can't really test that out. But as far as for the small one, it goes on to the Dr. Brown. So this can attach to here easily. And then you have one that's for Komotomo. This is the Y bottle. And you have one that's for the Philip Evan. And it works on Chico as well. First stop, I'm going to test out to see whether or not the bottle will leak. Once you find out which adapter goes on your bottle, then try it out first. Now the way that you're going to attach to the machine is once you know which adapter to use, then attach to the machine first. Like so. And then flip it over and screw onto the bottle. So this way, you are not going to have any leakage. Okay, now it's on. So well, obviously we have to flip it over in order for this to heat up. So let's see whether or not this is going to leak. Okay, no leakage. Nothing, no water coming out. Now the way that you're going to take it out is to set the bottle like this and twist the machine off. This will prevent milk leaking out. Let's try out the Komotomo. Flip over. Yeah, nothing. Shaking it, no water coming out. Okay, Komotomo. Alright, next I have the Philip Evan. Nothing. No water coming out. Yeah. First test, it passed. Alright, next what we're going to do is to test out the heating process. Obviously, this thing has to work correctly, right? So Failed to mention, when you are pressing the power button, if you long press, the machine will turn on. You have 99 degree, you press again. Yeah, 104, 113, and 122. Now those are in Fahrenheit, by the way. So if you long press again, it will turn off. What I want to see is when I set this machine to 99 degree, how long it will take for it to heat up this room temperature milk, and also does it come close to 99 degree. Best temperature is at 98.6 degree. That's the best temperature to feed your baby with in terms of formula or milk, just anything in liquid, because that's the body temperature. Fahrenheit, by the way. So anyway, let's try this out. First, again, find the right adapter. I'm using adapter Brown, so the smallest one. Fit the adapter onto the machine first. Okay, now it's secure. I have a temperature gauge. What I need to show you is to how hot or how cold the milk is currently. Right now, this gauge is showing 83.7 Fahrenheit. Okay, now flip this over, attach to the bottle. Okay, now flip this over. Okay, so what I need to do now is to turn this machine on. Alright, so what I want is 99 degree. I just leave it alone, the heating process will start by itself. So I have the timer here. Right now the temperature is at 86 degrees according to this machine. We're just gonna see how long it will take to get to 99. Okay, the temperature is going up now. Okay, it beeped at 2 minutes and 39 seconds, give or take. Okay, so once it's done, it will beep. Now flip this over. Well, the bottle does feel pretty warm. Now unscrew the adapter. Okay, so again, let's test out the temperature. Oh wow. 97 degree. 97.9 degree. 97.9 degree is almost 98 degrees. So this is fairly accurate in the sense that to heat up the milk to that range. Now we have tried out many different bottle warmer before. They don't really come close. Either they go way over or they come really under. So this is really close to the 98.6, the magic number. All right, so my final thought about this machine. The pros are, this is a perfect machine to use when you have cold milk and you want to heat it up on the go, because it's really portable, and also it has really big battery, 8800 milliamp. According to the company, it's 8 to 10 usage before you have to recharge. When you are low on battery, you can also recharge and warming at the same time. As you can see from the testing, there's no liquid leakage whatsoever. The temperature came out to be really close to the perfect number of 98.6 degrees. Just a little bit under, but I think it's within reason. Now the downside is the charger that it came with, you can only use a small charger. If you use a fast charger, it's not going to work. Anyway, so this is my review of this Warmer Lab portable milk warmer. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.